Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Logan, and today we're going to do a video using the Natasha Denona Safari palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. When using Natasha Denona shadows, I find that concealer works best as primer. So I am going to just use my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I am just going to use my Beauty Blender to pat that in. And once that is all blended in, I am now going to go in to the Natasha, why do I keep saying that? The Natasha Denona All Matte palette. This is the Safari palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And I think I'm gonna go in with all these warm shades right in here. So to start off, I'm going in with my JH30 blender brush, and I'm gonna go into this light cream shade first, and I'm just gonna place that all over the lid. Then I'm going to use that same brush and go into this shade Tamarind, which is this kind of khaki shade, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade in my crease. And then once that is all blended out, I'm just going to take that same shade and pack it into my outer corner, and then blend it up into my crease as well. And then once that is all blended out, I'm now going to go into this orange shade called Desert Date, and I'm going to go in with my Morphe M505 brush. And this is more of a dense brush, and I'm just really going to pack on this shade on my lid. And I'm really going to focus it on this inner part. And then later I'll go back and deepen up my outer corner. And then again going back in with that first brush that I used, and going in with that transition shade, and I'm just gonna blend that in. And now to deepen up the outer corner, I'm going in with this bright orange shade called Tribe, and I am going to use that same Morphe M505 brush. And I'm gonna place this all the way up, almost into my crease, but not quite. This orange shade is really pretty. And I'm not experiencing much fallout on my eyes, so that's a good thing. And I'm gonna go back in with that first shade that we placed on the lid, because I just went over it a little bit with that brighter orange shade. And I'm gonna deepen the outer corner with the shade Shay. And I'm just gonna use this smaller blending brush and really go closer to my lash line. And then blend it up into my crease, almost like a V. Then I'm gonna go back in with my M505 brush and use that bright orange shade to make that color really pop. And then to blend everything all together, I'm going back with that JH30 brush, and I'm going to take that light cream shade and I'm just going to go over top of everything and really just blend it all out. So here are the eyes so far. I'm going to put some mascara on and then I'm going to do my face off camera and then I will come back for the lower lash line. To finish off the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the crease shade here and I'm just going to fluff that under. And I'm going to go in with this deeper brown shade here and I'm just going to pack that right on my lash line. And I'm going to bring it not quite halfway. I'm gonna take that shade Desert Date, which is the one that we put in the inner part of the lid, and I am going to just fluff that all across and just kind of blend in that first shade and that brown shade. And then to brighten up the eyes, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Gel Liner. And I'm going to use this shade BBC, which is this nude color. And I don't know if you can tell, but that really brightens up the under eye. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. And because this is an all matte palette, I am going to use something different to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. And I'm going to use this light champagne color. And I'm just going to take the JH40 brush and I'm going to pop that in the inner corner. And here is the finished eye look. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to comment if you have any video recommendations for me. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! This is called speed makeup. Are you kidding me? Oh, I got it everywhere. Got all over my blankie. Here's my Fenty Blom gloss bomb. Oh shit. Here's my Fenty Blom. Now I'm gonna take this Morphe brush and I'm going to use this the shade. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to deepen up the outer corner with this shade. I can't say shade Shay. Now I'm gonna deep out